Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about the Palworld connection timed out error. The error reads, "Connection timed out. If your connection fails repeatedly, restarting your PC may fix the issue. If other players are also unable to connect to the same host, the host PC may need to be restarted. This error may also occur when other players are still connected." As per our research, the error comes when players try to join a friend's world in Palworld, but they are unable to connect and receive this error on the screen. According to our research, the error is likely caused by server-side issues, connection glitches, host issues, or mismatched settings like time and date. The first thing we suggest is to avoid using the recently joined servers option. Instead, manually copy and paste the server address into the connect box at the bottom of the server list. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then ask your friend who is hosting the server to close and reopen their game. Once they restart the session, try joining again and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then go to your Windows settings and set time and time zone to automatic. Once updated, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try disabling your device firewall temporarily and then try to connect again. After that, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again. Then check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.